DPF and DEF emulator installation in Volvo L150H. Locate the ACM module. Disconnect the ACM module plug and plug in the emulator instead. Locate the NOx sensors and disconnect both of them. Check the lights under the cover of the emulator to ensure that all systems are emulated correctly. As you can see, all the error codes are cleared after the emulator's installation.